Good evening, traders, and assalamu alaikum, guys. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today, I'm gonna do the forecasting of gold, USD JPY, USD CHF, CHF JPY, USD CAD, and CAD JPY. So, hope you guys are okay. Before I start, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated for my upcoming videos. And secondly, guys, on 31st of July 2019, the Fed rates are coming. So whenever you trade carefully because we are expecting a big volatility in the market. Market is gonna move crazily. So please trade safely and think wisely before to take your decision. So let's start our forecasting. So let's start with this. That's the gold chart of T1. As you can see, guys, it's touch our one of our resistance level and it will come down. So I'm expecting gold down a lot, but when market will open, if it will make movement like that, and when we will get a confirmation, so we are gonna save. If it will come down straight away of this level, that's our weekly support, where the gold takes support on weekly basis, and that's our daily support. So we're gonna buy gold from on these level, but these buys are short term, because on the long term I'm expecting gold to go down a lot. So if you do buy gold, so don't hold it for a long time. If you want to buy, just hold it for a short time. Yeah, let's move on to USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY, as you can see, guys, it's already crossed our weekly resistance and is touch our daily resistance, and it will come down. So what I'm expecting from coming week, like this movement, it will go up like that, and when it will come to our this resistance level, and I'm gonna save USD JPY till this level for my this support. But that's this setup market will not respect when the tactical analysis is gonna come, like the news is coming. So if the news come positive, then USD JPY will go up at least 1 or 10. Yeah, 1 or 10. But we have to have a look of the news as well. So after that we will take the decision. So let's move to another pair, to New Zealand JPY. Yep. NZD JPY is already, as you can see, is touch our one of the resistance level, and it will coming down smoothly. So it is here. So I'm expecting this pair to come little bit down, up, little bit up, and it will come. So I'm gonna buy New Zealand USD definitely, but I will wait for my this daily support. I will buy from here. It will go down further, then I will wait for this level or this level, but I'm not expecting it will come down to this level again. If the news in the news USD will strong, maybe it will come down to this level, but I'm expecting hardly to come down on this level on my this daily support. So I'm gonna buy, but before buy I will wait to complete the pattern of New Zealand. When I will get the confirmation, then I'm gonna buy. I will wait to break out and it will go up again. So I'm expecting to New Zealand USD go up at least 0.70, but again it's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 day. It will take time. Let's move out to our new next pair, NZD JPY. Let me zoom in. Yeah, as you can see, guys, New Zealand JPY is already break over this support, so I'm not a big fan of buying NZD JPY. So I will wait. It will come down, it will come up to my this resistance level, so then I'm gonna sell again. So in easy words, I am not gonna trade on New Zealand JPY coming week, because if we bought it from here, it's gonna be risky. So I don't want to take any kind of risk. News USD CHF, again all depend will be on news part. As you can see guys, is already touch our daily resistance. As you can see, it's open here, it will go up, touch our daily resistance, and it's close it here. So what I'm gonna do, I will wait for this confirmation when the market open. So, and I will wait for this breakout, and then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting USD CHF to come down again. uh, if you are in sale and it was going good, yeah, so please close your sale before the news came, because no one knows what's gonna happen, and we knew what's gonna happen when the Fed rates came after that, but we don't know what's gonna happen before. So what you will, if you are in the sale of USD CHF, so please keep your sale till 30th of July, and after that close it and wait for the news. CHF JPY is, as you can see, is not on our resistance or not on our support level. It's moving sideways for quite a long time. So when market is running sideways, to be honest, I will not trade. So I'm gonna leave CHF JPY as well for coming week. USD CAD, again the news and pack we have to see, for now is already break our, as you can see, is break our daily support, yeah, but break our daily support but close it near to our, sorry, it's already break our daily resistance but close to our resistance level. So we will see if market open like that, it will move like that. We will wait for confirmation and then boom, at least this support, or we'll wait for this support. But the news is coming, so let's see what's gonna happen with USD CAD. CAD JPY is also not interested in, I'm not interested to do trade in it because it's quite long time. We can trade when it will come down to my this support level, but it's gonna be risky. If you want to take trade, your stop loss should be here if you want to buy, but first wait to come over there and wait for this pattern, and when it will be, when you find that, we wait for breakout, bought it from here and sold it here, but it's gonna be risky. Hey you guys, that's the forecasting of all pairs, and hopefully I do all the forecasting of all pairs. So guys, please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon, and please don't forget to share my channel. Yeah, thank you very much, have a good weekend, thank you, Allah Hafiz, cheers, bye.